Seriously, dude, you don't need a shotgun.
Are you kidding? I've been trying to get this bag of chips open for like a week. This bag was made by Satan. Whoa. See? See?
Ah, I just want some chips. What the? Zombies! Oh, damn!
Touché, bag.
Come on, dude!
I'm so fucked!
Quick, these dudes want to eat your chips.
Oh, fuck that! You dead! Who dead? You dead!
Boomer! Gross. This way! Get a chainsaw!
Good idea!
No, for the zombies, you retard!
Zombies? What zombies?
Fuck you! Damn it! Brain shot!
Hey, bros, this is like crazy, right?
I don't think that guy was a zombie.
I know.
The perfect murder.
Oh my god! That must be where the outbreak started! Those cinnamon swirls are irresistible! I haven't had any yet. Ryan. Dead end! Good one.
I wish I had fingers.
Fuck yeah. Oh, sick! Oh, fuck!
Ooh.